the framework of the Interreg Northwest Europe Blockstart project, I'm glad to present the free training that my company offers to SMEs interested in the blockchain technology. My law firm is a boutique law specialized in IT and data protection law. We ensure consulting and litigation services for our clients based in France and abroad. We operate in Paris and Brussels. We assist our clients in a complex legislative and regulatory context, so to ensure their compliance with GDPR, as well as securing their use of personal data or helping them in order to develop innovative projects. We also support our clients when implementing all their data-related projects, open data, big data, data governance, management, blockchains, etc., AI or IoT. And besides, we provide them with our expertise and experience in order to assist them when using new innovative tools or as part of their digital transition. We have also developed a strong expertise in data protection, e-health, and blockchain, regularly ranked by Leaders League. As a law firm, we have a deep interest in clinical trials and e-health, and the interplay between data protection and clinical trial regulation and e-health regulations needs a clear view of both regulations and of the industry, and we try to develop such clear view, I would say, on a daily basis by assisting our clients, acting as sponsor, CRO, investigators, startup, etc. Regarding our offer is aimed to be customizable to every kind of SMEs interested in by blockchain, data protection, and health data. It's particularly dedicated for biotech and SMEs already established in medical fields, or for any SMEs which would like to join this ecosystem. Any SMEs which have the purpose of a solution based on blockchain for medical purposes may, of course, join such training. In my law firm, we have an experience working with doctors, hospitals, with clinical trial actors like sponsor, investigators, CRO, etc. And we help them being compliant with personal data processing and also to develop their innovative projects, including medical devices or blockchain projects, for example. Regarding our training, we will try to review a wide range of issues like relationships between health data and GDPR, what is or how to determine who is a data controller, data processor, sub-processors, also trying to figure out all the legal aspects of health data, consent information to be provided for, all issues related to data storage period. Of course, there are a lot of implications between data protection law and blockchain, just regarding user rights, the kind of blockchain to use, all data security measures, and all of their aspects regarding the blockchain perspective. There are also many points regarding anonymization or pseudonymization or randomization. Of course, all those issues are to be taken into account in an extraterritorial or international context regarding the extraterritorial effect of GDPR and regarding the international perspectives of blockchain applications. Of course, we shall also deal with data transfer and blockchain, or all precautions to be made when blockchain be used. So I would say a wide range of questions, and we will begin with theory and legal perspectives, but we will also study use cases. And of course, all participants and all SMEs are very welcome to provide their own questions, issues, concerns, in order to solve them during the trainings, in order to address all of their very concrete and specific aspects.